Madrid is boring. No.
In my small village.
Small village.
And then honeymoon in...
Antarctica. Yay!
Yes,
No.
South America.
Wait, what?
Honeymoon in South America.
¿Cuál país?
Argentina.
Okay. Because if you say Colombia, we divorce.
Oh, why? Why? Because there's a lot of Colombian girls. Oh, my phone is without no battery.
Yes.
I have, I
Te
have
creo,
to
te
say to
creo,
you,
te creo. Sí,
Salamala,
sí, te creo.
think about if you want to marry or no. You will answer tomorrow morning, okay?
¿Tú eres en serio?
Why this face?
No, porque no te creo. I don't take virtual propose. No. No virtual. Uh-oh. Maybe. That's the answer. Bye. Okay, it's fun that. That's crazy, man. Should I get married? But if you want my money, don't get married to me. Insane. That's insane. Yeah, he's right. He always wants to. No, look. Of course, money's not the problem. I mean, money's not the prioritize. He knows that. So I told him, if you really think that's how I am, you can ask my ex. Cause if I really gold digger, I supposedly leave my ex immediately when he's at his lowest, right? Because we as a human, our position is not always like this. It's like a wheel of life. Sometime here, sometime here, sometime here. And there's a moment where my ex-boyfriend is here. And I didn't leave him. I helped him. I be there. I help him. If I can help financially, I did. That's how to show my partner also, look, I am willing to help you any, like unconditionally. And then also, look, I'm not a fucking gold digger like men think I am. Because money is really, indeed, is not that important, but the reality is, logically thinking, we do need money for daily basis, right? And I do have a beauty expenses, but it's not that expensive. It's expensive yet. It's not that much. It's just my hair extension, which I redone every once in 2 months, 3 months. Not every day, not every week, and it costs like $200-300 for every 2-3 months. You know what I mean? If I live in America, for sure, 1,000K. Hair by Chrissy. Where is that? Is that in Tennessee or Texas? I forgot. Yeah, that's crazy. I wouldn't spend. If I make, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's nice. Why don't you? His English still broken, but like at least he try, and he learned English, so it's good. Because sometimes I do need him to speak English. Yeah, so funny. Why don't you wanna marry me first day? First day, what? That's funny. Yeah, I can tell he's a good guy. I'm just saying, realistically, we all spend money. Men go to barber shop to cut their hair. If you're the kind of person that love to keep your hair clean cut, where are you going? Barber, right? Men go to barber can be like twice a month, because like you guys hair growth like so fast, right? Good. For men who's bald or like keeping their hair long, you don't have to go to barbers. That's mean, yeah, that's, you don't have a beauty or like body care expenses. But I do. You think if I have my natural hair grow back, I would having extension. Fuck no, I'm not. Because I'm I, okay. My hair is very bad. The natural hair, yeah. Um, it's because like the bleach damage. I've been doing it consistently every 2 months for the past 4 years. Ever since I live here only. And then because my hair is very thin already and is damaging more. And if I take off my it's just ugly, okay? But they grow back, you see, and I don't want to bleach them. I'm still gonna dye the hair, but with no bleach at all. That's why my hair color is gonna be brunette. It's always like that. I think it's good. It's also good with my skin color because again the hair theory is always come with the hair with the color theory. What is your body color, like your skin color? So this here's your plate, color plate. This color is suit on you if you're wearing this kind of color for your clothes, for your hair color. I'm not stupid too. So yeah, I got him there. I, you know, to start relationship, you have to ask and test out the person if he's really your standard or not. Everyone has their own standard. You can't judge. Okay? I can't judge. But yeah, like I said, I don't want. What the fuck is the point? Especially if I'm married. Married. We're talking about married. With someone that's not financially stable. I didn't ask for you being a fucking crazy rich. Again, that's more risk for me. More consequences that I have to take. It's just like you have to make sure you have a steady income, you're financially stable, you're not, oh, I have debt, oh, I don't have, you know what I mean? You are ready to settle down. That's it. And you're willing to take action and risk for the next thing. That you become a husband, you become a father, you become the head of a family, because marriage is not a game. I mean, it's a serious stuff. I'm just saying. That's nice. Oh, 5 hours. I think I'm gonna go to sleep soon. Look, 2:25, 2:24, almost 3. God damn it! What time I'm gonna wake up? Yeah. I think that's it, guys. I'm really sleeping. I know I don't dance that much, do I? My stomach hurts, and I'm so sleepy. I don't I don't feel I don't feel bonita because I don't have my fake lashes. But tomorrow I will get them on back. All right. I just give some rest on my eyes. It's so Asian. It's so Asian. Sorry. All right. Have a good day. Wait, it's already night. Alright. For European, have a good evening. Have a good dinner. Okay. For American, have a good day. Have a good working day. I hope your boss is not being nuts. Okay. Take care. Ciao.